Hi friends, today I will do a comparison of Oppo A77 5G versus A77 4G. So let's see the detail of in-hand feel. Let's discuss about camera. Let's start with Oppo A77 5G. It's have a dual camera setup and its primary camera have 48 megapixel aperture 1.8 or depth camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.2 or HDR LED flash. Let's discuss Oppo A77 4G. It's also have a dual camera setup and its primary camera have 50 megapixel aperture 1.8 or depth camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.2 or HDR LED flash. Let's discuss about both the phone price. Oppo A77 5G come around $18,000 of $229 of 4GB RAM or Oppo A77 4G come around $5,499 of $197 of 4GB RAM. Let's discuss both the phone result. Oppo A77 5G versus Oppo A77 4G. Design are good, display are also good, camera is better on both the phone, hardware is better on Oppo A77 5G, connectivity are same, charging are also the same, and Oppo A77 4G price is better. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.